Hello everyone, my name is Devanshi Dagur. Students, today we are going to study about the characteristics of sound. There are many characteristics of sound like loudness, amplitude, time period, quality, pitch and wavelength. What is wavelength? The wavelength is the distance between two consecutive compressions or rarefactions. Today we will study about the characteristics of sound. And the first characteristics of sound is wavelength. So dear students, do you know what is wavelength? The distance between the center of two consecutive compressions or two consecutive rarefactions is called wavelength. And it is denoted by the Greek letter lambda. Students, its SI unit is meter. So, dear students, as you can see in this diagram, the distance between E and F is called wavelength. So, in sound waves, the combined length of a compression and an adjacent rarefaction is called its wavelength. Now, the second characteristics of sound wave is frequency. So, what is frequency? The number of complete waves produced in 1 second or number of vibrations per second is called frequency. Unit of frequency is hertz and the symbol of frequency is nu. Students, do you know 1 kilohertz is equal to 1000 hertz? So, the number of compression or rarefaction passed in 1 second is also called frequency. Frequency of wave is same as the frequency of the vibrating body which produce the wave. Dear students, do you know that the frequency of a wave is fixed and does not change even when it passes through different substances? Now, the next characteristic of sound is time period. So, what is time period? The time taken to complete one vibration is called time period. And the SI unit of time period is second and it is denoted by nu is equal to 1 upon t. We can also say time required to pass two consecutive compressions or rarefactions through a point is called time period. Now, let's come to the next characteristic of sound, that is amplitude. So, the maximum displacement of the particle of the medium from their original undisturbed position is called amplitude of the wave and it is denoted by A. The SI unit is meter, that is represented by M. As you can see in this diagram, the point E and P shows the amplitude and the point Q shows the amplitude. Amplitude is the height of wave which generates intensity, the brightness of light, loudness of sound and power of electricity. Let's come to the next characteristic of sound, that is loudness. So students, what is loudness? Dear students, the loudness is the measure of the sound energy reaching the ear per second and the loudness is measured in decibel, that is represented by dB. As you can see in these diagrams represent the soft sound and the loud sound. As you can see in the first diagram, the sound wave represent the soft sound, and in this diagram they represent the louder sound. So the loudness depends on the amplitude of the sound wave. Greater the amplitude of sound wave, greater is the energy and louder the sound. While short is the amplitude, less is the energy and soft is the sound. The next characteristic of sound is pitch. The pitch of sound depends on the frequency of sound or vibration, and it is directly proportional to its frequency. So, as you can see in this picture, greater the frequency, higher is the pitch, and lesser the frequency, lower is the pitch. Students, a high-pitched sound has large number of compressions and rarefactions passing a fixed point per unit time. Dear student, the voice of woman is shrill, having a high pitch, while a man's voice is flat, having low pitch. Next characteristic of sound is quality or timbre. The timbre of a sound depends on the shape of sound waves produced by it, and it is the characteristic of musical sound. It helps us to differentiate between two sounds of same pitch and loudness. Dear students, as you know, noise is unpleasant to hear, while music is pleasant to hear and it is of good quality. So, the quality differentiate between sounds of same pitch and loudness. Also, the sound of single or same frequency is called tone, while a mixture of different frequencies is called note. Now, what is the velocity of sound? The velocity of sound is the distance traveled by a wave in 1 second is called velocity of the wave, and its SI unit is meter per second, and we can write its formula as velocity is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. Also, V is equal to lambda upon T, where lambda represents the wavelength and nu represents the frequency, and nu is equal to 1 upon T. So, velocity becomes equal to wavelength into frequency. This is known as the wave equation, and this applies to all the waves like transverse wave or water waves, and the longitudinal waves like sound waves, and the electromagnetic waves like light waves and the sound waves. So, what we have learned in this video? In this video, we get to know about the loudness of sound, what is pitch, and what is the frequency of sound, and what is the unit of frequency. The SI unit of frequency is Hertz, and it is represented by nu. So dear students, please stay at home and keep watching the Sharp